All of you know that the second method of a clustering is a hierarchical method. In that, the set of data objects are decomposed hierarchically using a certain criteria. Hierarchical clustering uses two approaches, bottom-up and top-down approach. Bottom-up approach is also called as agglomerative approach. In that, first initialize each object is a cluster, and iteration merge two clusters which are most similar to each other until all objects are merged into a single cluster. Second method, that is top-down approach, is also called as a diversive approach. In that, first initialize all objects stay in one cluster. In iteration, select a cluster and split it into a two subcluster until each leaf cluster contains only one object. Dendrogram, a tree that shows how clusters are merged or split hierarchically. Each node on the tree is a cluster. Each leaf node is a single tone cluster. Start with first agglomerative clustering algorithm is the most popular hierarchical clustering technique. See algorithm first. Step, compute the distance matrix. Then second, let each data point be a cluster. Repeat, merge the two closest clusters. Update the distance matrix until only a single cluster remains. Here, key operation is the computation of the distance between two clusters. You have to use the different approaches to define the distance between clusters and distinguish the different algorithm. Starting situation. Start with the cluster of individual points and the distance matrix. Here you consider the 12 points that will be represented in distance matrix. After some merging step, we have some cluster. Choose two clusters that has the smallest distance to merge. Here C2 and C5 consider for merging. We want to merge the two closest clusters C2 and C5 and update the distance matrix. The questions kept in your mind is how to update the distance matrix and how to define intercluster distance. We have to use the different approaches: mean, max, group average, distance between centroid. The mean, first one mean, or called as a single link. Intercluster distance. The distance between two clusters is represented by the distance of the closest pair of data objects belonging to the different cluster, determined by one pair of points, that is by one link in the proximity graph. That will be shown in figure. Okay, 3 and 6, that is in one cluster, another cluster 2 and 5, both of them in third cluster, and fourth cluster that will be include 4 point, and in fifth cluster again include the 1 point. The next method, that is the max or complete link. The distance between two clusters is represented by the distance of the farthest pair of data objects belonging to the different cluster. You have to consider the maximum distance here, that will be shown in the figure. See here, that will be shown in dendrogram also. The next one, that is average link or called as a group average. The distance between two clusters is represented by the average distance of all pair of a data object belonging to the different cluster. Here determined by all pair of point in the two cluster. Here consider the average. Okay, see here for example, that will be shown in dendrogram. You consider the average. And next, last one, that is the centroid distance. That is in the distance between two clusters is represented by the distance between the center of the cluster. Here determined by the cluster centroid. Remember that you have to consider the mean value.